How to pay your staff through VirtualStaff. Paying your staff on VirtualStaff.ph is a seamless process. Follow these steps to ensure timely and secure payments. Step 1. Reviewing invoices. Your staff can generate an invoice based on their recorded working hours. When an invoice is raised, it will appear in your dashboard under the to-do list. Click on Review Now Salary Invoice Request to view the invoice details. Alternatively, navigate to the Salary Request section from the left-hand menu. Locate the invoice that needs to be processed, and check the boxes of the invoices you want to approve and pay. To view the invoice, click the eye icon on the right side of the listed invoice. You have the option to view the invoice and approve or reject it. Step 2. Approving the invoice. Click Approve selected, verify the final invoice details, then confirm approval. There is also an Approve option when you want to view the invoice as per instructed above. Confirm the invoices to be approved, either one invoice only or more in one batch. Step 3. Process payment, consolidated or for one invoice. From Payment Processing tab, click Confirm Salary Payments tab. If there are invoices you'd like to return to unapproved status or exclude from the consolidated list for payment, you can simply remove them by clicking the trash icon. Step 4. Confirm and proceed payment. Review the payment summary, including total amount and the virtual staff rate. Click Proceed to Payment to complete. Step 5. Selecting a payment method. You have two payment options: card payment or bank transfer. Option 1. Paying via card. Select card as your payment method and click Confirm. If your card details are not saved, click Add New Payment. Enter your card information and then click Proceed to Pay. Review the full payment breakdown and click Pay to complete the transaction. Once processed, the invoice status in the Salary section will change to Payment Processing. Option 2. Paying via bank transfer. Select the bank option during payment. Once you reach the page displaying the bank details for VirtualStaff, that will be the final step in the process. Note: Stripe will automatically recognize the transaction using the reference number and amount in USD as per the invoice and update the payment status accordingly on our end. Once you've completed the transfer, you may close that page. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.